Severe thunderstorms hit several counties. Such precipitation in May is rare for this region. At heightened March, winds reached 80 miles per hour. Summerall, Forest, and Lemmer counties were hit by heavy hail.
God.
At Summerall, the hailstones were the size of golf balls. The hail damaged houses and cars. Trees were knocked down due to strong winds. Traffic at Mississippi Highway 42 was suspended. More than 3,000 power outages are reported. Forecasters expect the storm system to move further south.